Afternoon, people. We're still over here at Magnolia Tree. I got it right that time. Magnolia Tree. And we're checking number 49 right now. They have only 4 frames. We checked them a week ago. And they look like they've got more bees now. No bugs. No bugs in their pollen patty. I'm going to take this one, slide it over. See what we got. We're going to put a foundationless frame in there. This foundation here doesn't have anything on it except bees. Got a little pollen on that side, a little nectar on that side. And a beetle, there we go. Had a beetle. Got a little pollen on it, a little nectar. The bottom looks clean. This is where most of my little baby nukes are. Well, they were babies. They're getting up now. My wife calls them toddler, not babies now. So this one here has some brood, some larvae. I don't know about eggs because I'm in the shadow now. You got the same thing on this side. That's them. So we know we got a queen, or we had a queen. And we may not add that extra frame. They're not building these out yet. This one here has some honey, some larvae, brood, young larvae, maybe some eggs in there. This side over here has the same thing. She has room to lay, so she doesn't need this other frame. Same thing on both sides. If y'all can think something else y'all want me to show you, let me know. This one here has some honey, has some pollen, larvae and brood and pollen and honey. Little bee keep wanting to get that yellow queen. Bottom still looks good, so we're gonna put her back in there. Put this one back in there. There's 2 back in here. And we're going to give them a little bit of polish. They had a little bit, but not much. And we'll check them again in another week. See how they doing. Got number 69 over here, but I don't think we're going to go into it. We might. sometimes my memory just, my mind just changes. These little girls are looking good. We'll start feeding these once a day until they build up. I'll show you something else too. If you only got, you run out of deep boxes and you got nuke boxes, you could take a strip and build a queen or a frame, make it 3 inches deep, and you can put that underneath your deep frame or your shallow frame, and then that would make this a deep frame. It's only 3 inches difference. And y'all might not be interested in that. That was just something that I did. And that's about it. Y'all have a marvelous day. Good seeing you and talking to you. Y'all be careful out there and give us a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a marvelous day. Bye.